In this video, I will show you how to fix Philips TV low or no sound issue. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So, to be able to resolve this issue, the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and turn off SAP. So press menu on your remote and then select setup. Now after that, you need to select audio, and if SAP is available, you will see digital audio language or alternate audio for the analog signals. Select either option and choose English or off. And for other models, to be able to turn off SAP, you'll need to go ahead and press menu on your remote, select sound, select audio settings, and then select stereo or SAP. So these settings may only be available if SAP is available on that channel. And that is how you can basically fix Philips TV low or no sound issues. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.